Do you want to understand English better? Doctors also started as beginners, but they used 3 simple listening habits that made them excellent listeners. Today, I will teach you those same secrets. Welcome back to LELTA, Lanka English Language Training Academy. This is lesson 5 of our playlist, The Secrets of How Doctors Improve Their English Knowledge. Today, we learn how doctors improve their listening skills using easy daily methods. Doctors do not listen for 1 hour. They listen for only 5 to 10 minutes a day. But they listen every single day. Short listening is better than long listening once a week. Doctors choose audio that is slow and clear. Examples: slow English health videos, simple English podcasts, beginner English stories, English lessons for kids, very clear English. When English is slow, your brain understands more. Doctors don't just listen, they repeat the sentences. This method improves both listening and speaking. Listen. Please take a seat. Repeat. Listen. Do you have pain? Repeat. When you repeat, your ears and your mouth learn together. Now let's do a small listening activity together. I will read short sentences. Listen carefully, then repeat after me. Please speak slowly. I will check you now. Do you feel better today? Take this medicine after food. You need rest. Well done. This listening practice is simple but powerful. Now I will say one sentence only one time. Try to repeat what you hear. Where does it hurt? Do you have a fever? Please sit here. Great! You are improving your listening skill. Your challenge today. Find one short English video, even a 30-second video. Listen to it 2 times and repeat 3 sentences from that video. This is exactly what many doctors do every day. Good job! You now know the simple secrets doctors use to improve their listening. In the next lesson, we will learn how doctors improve their reading skills using easy methods. See you in lesson 6 only on LELTA!